I don't post, I don't try wetin remain again. Oh, I never try AI tools.
Grok is no longer free, but there are platforms where you can access Grok for free. If you've been watching my AI videos on this channel, you come across series of videos I've created about Grok, platform where you can access Grok for free, and also free alternatives to Grok. You can check out this playlist here to access them. I'll also drop the link in the description so you can watch them after this video. So in this video, I'm also going to show you a platform where you can access Grok for free and other models like VO3 and Sora. So ensure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any tip I'm going to share. Before we dive in, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel. I'm a brand strategist for busy business owners. And on this channel, I share tips on content, positioning strategy, and AI. And if you want more practical videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button right away. So now let's dive in. So the platform in this particular tutorial is Gemini Gen AI. So you go to your browser, you type in Gemini Gen AI, then you look for this particular one that is here. This one here, this one we're going to be using. So let me quickly show you how you can access this platform and how you can start generating your videos. So when you come to the platform, this is what you see. You just scroll down to this place where you have start creating. Okay, click on it. So it will bring us to this interface here. All you have to do is scroll down. Okay, now you notice that video journey is highlighted, so just scroll down to this place. This is a part of the platform. Now you see here create new, it's actually highlighted. If I click on this new Grok 30 seconds extend video, you see different things there. Okay, we are currently at create new. So now here you see select video generation provider. We have View, we have Grok, we have Meta AI, we have ByteDance. Ones here that are free is this View and Grok. The Meta AI is under maintenance and ByteDance is coming soon. Okay, so our business here is Grok. Let's click on this Grok because right now it is actually View that is highlighted. We're going to click on Grok. See, Grok is highlighted now. So we're having Grok free. If I click on this place, you will see it's free. Now you can have, there's a place for reference image and all those things. Now if you come down here, let me show you something quickly. You will see this generation will cost you 0 credits. Okay, so you're not paying anything to generate videos here using Grok. So right now we're going to go and input what we need to input to start generating our video. Okay, now let's start generating our video. The first thing I'm going to take note of it now is this image reference. You have select image. Let's say you have an image you've gotten from any image generation platform. Okay, you can import it here. Okay, upload it to the platform to use as your reference image. So I'm going to select it. I have an image already. I'm going to select it. I'm going to click on select files to upload it from my device. Now I've uploaded my image, and if you look at this place, you see this warning: Grok generate video matching the reference image aspect ratio. So the aspect ratio of your image is what Grok is going to work with, even though you select a particular aspect ratio here. Okay, so know what you're actually selecting because that is what Grok is going to work with. The next one here is custom. You can click on it. Just leave it at normal. Okay, just normal. Don't do too much. So we have a basic, we have advanced. This place where you see prompt is where you're going to paste your prompt. Okay, describe the video you want to generate to Grok. You're going to paste your prompt here. Now we have basic and advanced. Like I said, this advanced, you have other things here. You're not just pasting prompts. You're describing your main subject. You're adding actions, setting environment, visual styles, additional details, lighting time, all these things. So if you don't want to go through this stress, please just leave it on basic. Okay, basic, and just paste your prompt. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. So I pasted my prompt already. So based on the particular image I've uploaded, I'm just going to leave it at 16:9 because this is at my image size. This particular image that I use for to generate my image. So I'm going to select this aspect ratio. Next one is resolution. We have standard 480p and high 720p, which is HD. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to leave it at standard. So we have duration 10 seconds and 6 seconds. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to leave it at 6 seconds. Okay, so these are all the things that we need and we are good to go. We'll just click on generate. So I'm going to scroll down to this place. This is where you click on generate. Credit remains 0. This generation will cost you. So you click on this place where you see generate with Grok. Now it has brought me to this interface. When I click on generate, Mind you, there was no place where I clicked on sign in or sign up at all. Okay, so when you come into this platform, you may experience the same thing. What you want to generate is when they'll pop up this particular option for you, so you just have to sign up. So now it's saying currently you can only create an account via Google Mail. Okay, just click on verify you are human, and then you click on register with Google to select your Google account. So it has brought us back to this interface. So if you notice, our prompt is still here. All that we selected is still here. Okay, so the only one that is missing is our reference image. You just click to upload it again. So when all these are set, just scroll down to generate. Click here, generate to Grok. They are going to verify you are human. Just hold on for it. It may take some time. Just hold on for it. Click here, this place, just tick it, verify you are human. Okay, success, and it is generating for us. So right now the generation failed, so I had to actually go out of the platform and I came back to this interface. Okay, so it actually failed, and it's like currently it doesn't support image to video, so we are going to try just text to video. We're not going to upload any image. This place is going to be blank. Okay, so we are going to click on send to verify again. Text, it says your request has been submitted successfully. As you can see here, our video is generating, so image to video doesn't work here. So when you come here, do not upload any image in this place. Sorry, look at it, do not upload any image, just paste your prompt, okay, and your video will be generated for you. So you just have to wait for it to generate. So if you've watched to this point of this video, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so you keep getting amazing tutorials like this. Please note that this may take a bit of time, okay, because most time when it has to do with free generation, it shall take time. Your generation could have been queued. Okay, so just hold on, be patient with it, and you see your video. So now this place where you have tips, you see your video is still being generated in the background. You can close this page and check history tab for the generated video, and will notify you when it is ready. Okay, you can either click here to this go to history, or you just click on this 3 lines here. You see history. Okay, you can come back to history to check your generation. So our video has been generated, so this is it. This is what we have here. Okay, you can click on this place where you see download to download this, or you can regenerate, or you can also extend. Okay, so let me play what we have here.
The problem is not your content, it's how you're creating it. Let me show you something better.
Wow, this is so nice. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so this is what we have here on this platform. So right now you know that you can't generate with image. You need to use text to video. So when you come, don't just upload any reference image, just create. So make sure that your prompt, if you want a female character, you just insert the character straight up. Okay, this is my prompt. I did not include any kind of character. I didn't put whether male or female, because that's why I brought out male. So if you want a female, just put a female in your character. Describe what you want your character to look like. Just describe it in your prompt, so that when it comes out, you get close to what you want, or maybe what you want as well. Okay, so this is it. Now I'll go through again and do it from scratch. Let us see how it goes. So I'm coming again from scratch. This time I'm not selecting any reference image. I'm leaving it blank. Okay, then for generation mode, I'm leaving it as custom. Anything can work. All right, so this time I'm going to actually change, like, let's use a female character this time. Create a short stocking female. Let me add female to this. So I've added female to it so that we'll see a lady in our video. I'm going to leave it as landscape, standard 6 seconds. Remember, we did not say upload any kind of reference image at all. We are going to generate like this. So we'll click on generate with Grok now. We're still going to verify, follow the same process. So we verified and the video is generating. So you can see your video is being generated with AI magic. So now it's not clear that you just need to use text to video to generate your video. Like I said, make sure that all that you want, the kind of character that you have in mind, you will have actually put it in your prompt. Okay, so that when it generates, you get close to what you want, or even something better than what you want. So right now, I'm going to click on this go to history to check if our video is ready. Oh wow, you see, you need to just prompt, and that is it. So I just use a keyword female. That is it. If you want a male, I want to just describe it, the skin type, anything you want, just describe it, and you will get it when the video is being generated. So now let's play this and see.
The problem is not your content, it's how you're creating it. Let me show you something better.
Wow, this is so wonderful. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Wow. So straight to the point, just use text to video. No need to upload any reference image. So this is how you access Grok for free on this platform, geminigen.ai. Just go to your browser and type in and you start generating. Follow the process that we followed. Okay, make sure you remember to use text to video. You don't need to upload any reference image at all. Just input your prompt and you're good to go. So to download your video, you can either scroll down to this place and click on download, okay, or you hold on, press on the video and click on download video. You see it in your device. So if you want to learn how to use AI to generate faceless content that are monetizable on social media, join my free AI community. The link is in the description. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I am Abasti and I care about how your brand is being perceived.
The problem is not your content, it's how you're creating it. Let me show you something better.
The problem is not your content, it's how you're creating it. Let me show you something better.